Exporting automotive parts from the United Kingdom, a formal guide to trade agreement compliance, rules of origin, and customs documentation. Introduction: the significance of UK automotive parts exports. Automotive components are a cornerstone of British manufacturing. Exporting them successfully demands rigorous attention to trade agreements, rules of origin, and exacting customs formalities. Preparatory classification and authorisations. Preparation begins with thorough market research and correct tariff classification. Each part must carry an accurate, harmonized system code, and the exporting firm must hold a valid GB, or, when routing through Northern Ireland, XI, EORI number. Overview of United Kingdom trade agreements. The United Kingdom has secured preferential trade agreements with key markets, including the European Union, Japan, Canada, and Australia. These agreements offer duty savings, provided the consignment meets the relevant product-specific rules of origin. Compliance under the UK-EU Trade and Cooperation Agreement. Within the UK-EU Trade and Cooperation Agreement, tariff-free entry depends on satisfying Annex Original 2. While EU content can be cumulated, the finished part must still achieve the prescribed change in tariff heading or value-added threshold. Adherence to other agreements and consequences of non-compliance. Japan's CEPA and accords with Canada and Australia follow comparable principles. Failure to qualify for preferential origin exposes shipments to most favored nation duty and potential retrospective assessments for up to 3 years. Applying rules of origin in manufacturing practice. Origin is typically conferred through sufficient processing, for example, transforming raw steel and purchased bearings into a finished drive shaft, or by meeting defined value-added percentages, which become stricter for electric vehicle parts. Compiling a comprehensive document pack. A robust document package underpins every export: the commercial invoice bearing the statement on origin, the packing list, export or dual-use licenses where required, regulatory compliance certificates, and transit documentation for multi-country routes. Filing the export declaration through Customs Declarations UK. The declaration can be lodged via the Customs Declarations UK platform, which converts CDS data elements into clear language, validates tariff codes, origin indicators, and license requirements, and transmits the entry to HMRC. A movement reference number is returned within seconds. Presentation at the border. At the frontier, the freight forwarder presents the MRN often through the goods vehicle movement service, ensuring the cargo proceeds smoothly to the ferry. Conclusion: sustaining competitive advantage through compliance. By mastering rules of origin and leveraging the Customs Declarations UK platform, British automotive exporters can deliver parts worldwide, preserve duty advantages, and maintain a decisive commercial edge. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.